Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover your Gmail account or how to recover your Google account or how to recover your hacked Gmail account or Google account or Gmail account recovery or Google account recovery. When you lost or hacked your Gmail account or Google account, in this you can easily recover your lost or hacked Gmail account or Google account. So let's see how to do that. First of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, in this here type or write Google help. You can see Google help support.google.com. Google help. How can we help you? Choose a Google product, Google Chrome, Google account, YouTube, Gmail, Google Play, Google Search, Google AdSense, Gemini apps, Pixel. So in this you can choose and select Google help. Click here. Scroll down. After that, choose and select Google account. Click on it. After that, scroll down. You can see what is a Google account. Create a Google account, create a strong password and more secure account, manage your timeline data, set up a recovery phone number, email address, turn cookies on or off. After that, you can see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Open it. Scroll down. You can see tips to complete account recovery steps. Click here. After that, you can see account recovery page. So in this you can choose and select account recovery page. Click here. Account recovery, recover your Google account, email or phone. So in this here write your recover Gmail account or Google account or email account type. After that, choose next. Click on it. In this moment, you can lose or forget your Gmail account or Google account password, but in this you can easily recover your Gmail account password. So let's see. After you can see try another way. Click on it. After that, you can see enter last password. When you lose or forget your Gmail account or Google account last password, you can choose try another way. Click on it. In this time I can choose I don't have my phone. When you lose recover Gmail account, you can choose try another way. Click on it. Get a verification code. To get a verification code, first confirm the phone number you added to your account. Remember, this phone number added or add to your Gmail account. Phone number, recovery, Gmail account phone number. So first of all, you can choose and select country code. After that, open it. So click here. In this time, you can choose and select your country and country code. After that, in this here write your Gmail account phone number. So in this here you can type or write your Gmail account or Google account phone number. After that, choose send. Click on it. A text message with a 6-digit verification code was just sent to this phone number. Enter the code. So in this here you can type or write or paste 6-digit verification code. You can see welcome back. You can update your password now if you forget it. So in this way you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your Google account or Gmail account recovery or Google account recovery or recover your hacked or lost Gmail or Google account. After you can see update password or continue. So first of all, you can choose and select update password. Change password, create a strong password, create a new strong password that you don't use for other websites. After you can see create password. So in this here you can write or type your Gmail account or Google account new password. You can see your Google account was recovered successfully. Google account recovered successfully. That's mean I can easily recover my Google account or recover Google account. So thank you very much and